Hi, my name is Katie Jones, and I'm the Director of 21st Century Teaching and Learning for the Middle School at Mount Vernon Presbyterian School. I'm very excited to show you some features of Schoology, which is the website platform that we've adopted this year for teachers to post their classwork, homework, important links, and assignment due dates. Schoology looks a lot like a social networking site, but there are several parameters in place that make it a very safe space for students to use and interact with each other. In class this past week, all middle school students have created a Schoology account for themselves using either their personal email address, or if they don't have an email address, they used a username and password to log into Schoology. For the purpose of fostering responsibility and ownership, we ask that all middle school students share their login information with their parents. This way, when you log in, you can see exactly what the student sees. I've logged in here as a test student, and I've enrolled in a few sample classes just to give you a taste of what your students see when they log in. So this is the first page that a student will land upon once they've logged into Schoology. On their recent activity or home page, you'll see updates from every single teacher and every single course that your child is enrolled in. So this particular student is enrolled in Ms. Wilkes' Earth Science class. He or she is also taking Ms. Stevens' Literature class, Ms. Graham's Composition class, and Ms. Pelt's Advanced Algebra class. As you scroll down the page, you can see that each teacher has posted updates for the week. If I'd like to find out more information about a particular class, I can click on the class name. And like I said, in the updates category is where teachers will be posting their classwork and homework. And here's where Ms. Wilkes' classwork and homework is located. I can do this for any other class. For example, if I go back to my home page and click on Ms. Stevens' Literature class, I can click on Updates. And here is her classwork and homework for the entire week. Teachers will have these updated by Sunday night. For each class, I'd also like to point out where to find important resources, such as files and links. Once you select a particular course that you're enrolled in this case, I'm in Ms. Stevens' Literature class, it will take you to the Materials tab, and you can click on Files and Links. All teachers will have their syllabi posted as a link here, and as the year goes on, they'll be uploading documents such as class notes, handouts, study guides, videos, important websites that students might need to know about. All of those resources come into this particular section in Files and Links. Another key feature I'd like to point out to you is the Discussions page. And some teachers have already taken advantage of this, and they have posed really great questions to get to know their students better. Ms. Stevens is a great example. She's posted a discussion question, and then every single one of her students has come back to her and commented. This is a great way to generate a virtual discussion around a topic. The last key feature that I want to show you in Schoology is how to use the calendar feature. So I went back to my home page by clicking on Home. And for every student, they'll be able to see any upcoming due dates. For example, on today, Monday, August 20th, I have 2 things that are due. And you can open up that particular assignment by clicking on the link. One thing that is due tonight at 11:59 is I need to answer this particular question. The other thing I have due is in Ms. Wilkes' class, and I can click on that particular link to find out more.